Welcome to FETV. I'm Sherry McLean. It's great to see a plan come together, especially one where all parties involved benefit. A good example is a significant collaboration with our Beta Lab and Penn State University. As a result, Beta Lab now has added 3D printing capabilities to their services, and it's adding up to big savings and creative problem solving for our business units. Let's take a look at how this project developed.
Don Mall is on our Industry and Professional Advisory Committee in Mechanical and Nuclear Engineering. I briefed the committee at one point on our Learning Factory, which runs our senior design program. I was slated to be a faculty advisor one semester, and Don recognized an opportunity to connect a student team with Beta Labs to help them solve the problems they were working on. I do a lot of work in 3D printing, so I became the faculty advisor for that team. And then we coordinated through Matt Parkinson and the Learning Factory to find a team, put all that together, and then work with Beta Labs for the semester.
When Davis-Besse Power Plant requested Beta Lab refurbished circuit boards, we determined they contained grommets that were no longer available. We paired up with Penn State to develop a 3D printing program to recreate these no longer available grommets and complete the refurbishment program for the plant.
The project that I worked on with Penn State students in collaboration with First Energy Beta Lab dealt with electronic grommets for First Energy's Davis-Besse Power Plant. The grommets were these plastic pieces that were inserted into a metal frame, and due to age, they had dry rotted and started to crack. The original manufacturer for the grommets that they were using unfortunately went out of business, which posed a real issue for them. My team of Penn State students and I worked on 3D printing these grommets to ensure that they could have these parts. And then we also recommended a 3D printer for them to use to 3D print more grommets as well as other parts around their lab.
We researched multiple technologies to produce these grommets, injection molding, various machining processes, and we determined that 3D printing was the most practical and least expensive and would allow us to complete the project in the time frame we had. Here in the 3D printing lab, we're working on multiple projects for various customers, including Penn State. We're also working on projects for our energy distribution and our generation side of the business. The collaboration with Penn State gave us insight that we would have not had without going through a series of trial and errors that would have delayed the project dramatically. They also helped us select the correct machine to meet our needs now and in the immediate future.
First Energy continues to be a sponsor even this semester. They had a couple other projects that they were supporting, and we've done a follow-on there. Again, a 3D printed glove, I believe it was. Students are continuing to define and develop that, so hopefully we'll continue to have projects moving forward. More importantly, though, we just found out recently that First Energy Foundation will be providing some sponsorship to work with our Pennsylvania Technology Assistance Program to try and identify other projects and opportunities around the state that would benefit both local companies as well as First Energy.
To participate in the project was really awesome. You go to school and you're very used to working on textbook problems and being in class, but to actually get hands-on experience with First Energy was great because it allowed us to work on a problem that was actually an issue in the real world and solve it and get industry experience.
We hope you enjoyed this FETV segment. As always, have a great day, and remember, make safety a way of life.